I'm heading to the gate. Zach went the wrong way.
I'm not even in yet.
How are you not even in?
Well, I was loading still. Hi, Soccer.
Hi, Zach. How do I get to the gate? How do I get to the gate? Can we destroy this thing or something?
Oh!
Oh, that's how we get to the gate.
Oh my god, lag. Lag. Soccer, there's kind of a guy down there. He kind of ran through a trip mine. Oh god.
Hey, I'm getting help.
Oh, my face.
I got helped.
Oh. I got filled full lead.
Oh, okay.
Doctor, you did that so slow. You looked at the ground, threw down the ammo.
Well, because I
like you were doing it in slow motion.
I threw one down already, and I didn't know if it was still there, and I looked at my ammo bag, and I was like, wait a minute. I only have like one bullet left. Where's the rest of my ammo? I want the gun that guy has. Like, it's a heavy machine gun. But I don't know where to get the heavy machine gun from. Like, I
think it's on Thunder, the big dude. I think it's Thunder, the big dude.
Thunder has an M16. That's because that's what I've been using. Ow! Wow. I just got wrecked.
Oh, my face. Oh, no. Dude, I have a deagle.
We all have deagles, I think. Wow, that guy just destroyed me.
No, I found the dude with the LMG. It's Thunder. The third goo. When you die, select the third dude.
Oh. I thought I was Thunder. Oh wait, airstrike marker? Oops.
Yeah, you have an airstrike marker. I have a really big gun, Soccer.
Oh, I don't have Thunder equipped. I have already Aurora and Skyhammer. I need to change that.
Oh, I'm just trying to heal you, I'm sorry.
I was already dead.
I have a concussion grenade. Oh, I just concussion grenade myself. Soccer, you want to give me ammo?
Yeah. Here. Oh, I took my ammo. There you go.
Ben. Now I got a big gun. Gotta have lots of ammo. Oh my gosh, my face! Oh, that's a grenade, Soccer. Oh, that's an airstrike, actually. I'm just gonna spray out this doorway and hope for the best. Oh, it worked.
There's an... Yeah, I was gonna say, there's another person out there. I think they only thought there was just one of us in here.
Soccer, I'm about to die, and I need ammo.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
No, you stay away from my friend! Oh!
I'm super dead.
I just tried to Rambo it, Soccer. I tried to turn the corner and just spray.
This is super fun, because it's just like, I don't even give a shit.
Yeah. It's like, you don't really have to, like, try hard. Like super, like...
Well, because, like, Battlefield, I get really competitive just because I want my characters to be really good and have lots of shit. This one, I don't even care.
Oh, Soccer, there's guys outside. He's almost dead.
I'm reloading.
Ooh, I'm coming.
You coming to me?
No, Roadrunner. Roadrunner needed help.
Medic.
Stop moving! Jesus. Oh, there's an automatic heal. Automatic
you
regen.
heal very slowly. Oh! I just got my ass handed to me by a medic. They're coming up behind you, by the way.
Oh, shit.
Man, they're all holding us off.
Yeah, they are.
Got bullets for you.
Doug, are you outside?
I am.
Oh!
Fuck.
Reloading.
Are you dead?
Now I am.
Did they, like, kill you?
Oh, yeah. I got my shit pretty wrecked.
Oh my god, Soccer. Can I have ammo?
Yeah. Here you go.
Got
Thank you.
bullets for you.
Are you just spamming ammo into my back? What the heck?
No, that wasn't me.
Oh. Dude, I just got knifed!
I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where everybody's at.
I think we need to make a push for it, because we have 27 seconds left.
I'm pushing. Ah! I was pushing. Yeah, we're gonna lose.
C4's on the objective. Defend it.
Oh my gosh!
It's like my audio drivers keep getting overloaded or something.
Soccer, we got C4 on the freaking on the thing as time hit 0.
Okay.
Soccer, as the time hit 0, we got the C4 planted. Oh, I need ammo. Oh, no, go! You're like, leave it. Go, go.
Oh my god!
Oh, no way we actually got that!
Plant C4 on the
I
objective.
can't believe. Holy shit! This game is awesome. Oh!
Are they still behind us? Yeah, they are.
There was. Yeah, make a push for the. Just make a push.
Reloading.
Oh, I'm behind you. I have to reload.
In front of me. Oh!
I'll like just do it with the big gun. Soccer, I'm spraying him down, Soccer.
I got him too.
Reloading. C4
I'm in
planted
there.
and armed. Defend it.
I'm in. Soccer, can you throw ammo behind you?
What?
Oh, I just shot in the bum. I just got shot in the bum, Soccer. I'm getting stabbed.
I'm planting. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die.
Soccer.
I'm gonna die.
There's
Oh,
like
I got it
12 people
planted.
around you.
I got it planted right as they.
Killed you? They're gonna defuse her now.
They defused.
Looks like everybody's a freaking medic.
I'm not.
Except for me and you.
They defused our bloody.
I'm a big dude with a really big gun.
Oh my god, oh my god.
I wonder if the pistol's like super OP. Oh my god, Soccer. Soccer, you didn't kill him. He's still alive. There you go.
Defend it.
How do I get to where you are?
I have no idea.
C4 on the objective. Don't let them defuse it.
Oh, get off the gun. So I was getting shot at and I don't know where from. Oh, there.
Oh, I'm blind. Holy
I got
smokes.
flashbang. I got flashbang too.
I'm doing a flash, Soccer.
Oh, I'm dead. Help me up, help me up, help me up. This is real. This is awesome. I love this game.
We blew the objective.
Did you just go down again?
No. Oh, now I am.
Oh my god.
They
Come on.
defused our
No!
lead.
Don't get on the gun!
Did you just die?
Dude, my guy went onto the gun.
They're gonna defuse it. I think they defused that second one.
Yeah, they did. We got one of them.
Man, they are camping that hard. Let's see, how do I get up there again?
Here. It's over here. You behind me?
Oh, I
no?
see. I see. Yeah.
That gun's OP. Holy shit. Soccer on the gun. Oh, there was a guy on the gun.
I'm on the gun.
Wait, does that have an open roof? D4.
I don't know.
Soccer, throw it down your airstrike. Oh my god.
Oh god, somebody
Are you
snuck up
getting
behind me. I got snuck up behind.
Help station deployed.
Ooh, I'm up.
I'm changing mag.
Got bullets for you.
Dude, this game.
Oh.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. Get him! Get you some, chick.
Am I the only one alive over here right now?
Probably. There's 3 of us coming. 4 of us, 5 of us. Yeah, you were the only one alive. My airstrike. I have 3 seconds. 1 second. Ready, and airstrike out.
Support on its way.
Go, Zach. Go, Zach.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh,
So am I.
I just got shotgunned in the mouth.
God damn. This is intense.
Dude, it's fun though.
Best part is I'm not raging over it.
It's like super fun. I'm just gonna charge in there, dude. I have a really big gun.
That's what I'm doing. I'm right behind you. Oh, okay. There's somebody in the crate. Dude, they are all over that crate.
Oh my god. Fucker, I just got into a gunfight with somebody and almost died. Wait, you said they're in the crate?
Yeah, they're all over that crate. I'm gonna run up there. I'm gonna run in there and drop a
airstrike.
Airstrike, yeah.
Just throw it over the what's it called?
Well, the throwing's like
throw it over that. Throw it over that right there. Oh god.
Dude, I think I got somebody with my... Dude, I am like destroying them with this airstrike.
You got somebody. You got 3 people. The triple kill. Did you just get a triple kill and planted it?
I didn't plant, no. What the... Did that guy really think that was gonna work out well for him? Did we get it? Oh, they got it.
They got it?
They disarmed it.
Oh.